2019 GMC Yukon XL Denali. Here is a lovely 19 Yukon XL. If you're looking for the ultimate family SUV with luxury and style to go, this is the vehicle for you. This is a lovely one owner, zero accident, loaded out Yukon XL Denali. I'm gonna try and do a quick video walk around here for you, show you the ins and out of it, show you the blemishes on this one. It's still a used vehicle, 115,000 miles on this one, but still shows pride of ownership, runs and drives flawlessly, and it's just a lovely vehicle. It's finished in the silver metallic color, very, very classy Denali color. Looks very, very sharp. Moving to the front, you get that huge Denali chrome grille, signature to Denali. LED headlights, running lights. It's all clean up here. No major rock chips or dings. Coming down the passenger side, very, very clean all the way down here. A few small little scuffs here there that you're gonna pick up. They could be buffed out, I'm sure. One small little scratch right here, as you can see. Rear bumper corners, tailgate, liftgate is all in good shape. Driver's side, very, very clean here as well. One small little scuff here. The hood, brand new windshield just installed, and roof are all in good shape. There's no fade in it. Like I said, we did a windshield, which is a very expensive piece of glass, so you're ready to go there. All power locked windows and mirrors, power folding mirrors with blind spot in them. Your full black leather interior, a heated and cooled seat, dual power, Denali stitching in it. Very, very comfortable seat. It's got the GMC all-season floor mats that have kept the carpet in great shape. Air conditioning's blowing cold for us here. All of your steering wheel controls for your audio controls there. Your cruise control, heated steering wheel, safety systems for forward collision and stuff. Does have lane keep assist and heads-up display and all that. Heated and cooled seats, like I mentioned. Dual automatic climate control with the rear automatic climate controls as well. Full navigation display, DVD system, AM, FM, XM, Apple CarPlay, all that type of stuff. Your full sunroof, power liftgate. Very, very nice position here sitting from the driver's view. The dash is all in good shape. You have two sets of smart keys with remote start and all that. Very, very clean. Take a look at the rear area here for the passengers. Does have the mid captain seats, heated rear seats, double DVD system for the second and third row seats. Your third row seats are in good shape. Seating for three back there. Power liftgate, like I mentioned. Full cargo when you get the XL, which is the huge benefit. So behind the third row, you still have a ton of space. Fold down seats for the second and third row. So with power buttons, you can just control all of that. Fold flat in the floor. Go ahead and pop the hood. Take a look at that as well. Here is the 6.2 GM motor, the well sought after high horsepower performance GM motor, 420 horsepower. This is mated to the 10-speed automatic. In 2019 they moved to that, and wow, what a mated system. This thing just flies down the road. Finely tuned with each other, as you can see under the hood. It's very clean and tidy, and then you put it with that transmission. It's just tuned to perfection, I think, of what GM built. So very, very nice vehicle. Flies down the road. That 10-speed transmission really puts a smile on your face as well with that 420 horsepower. Full wheel drive. Shift on the fly with a full system. Find us on our website, eaglecareautos.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Find us on Facebook. Like our page there. Find us on YouTube. Just let us know we can best serve you. If it's not this Denali, we always have a couple Suburbans floating around. Just let us know we can best serve you. This is a nice vehicle, priced way back a book and ready to roll down the road. Sitting on like new Continental tires on those beautiful 22-inch wheels. Lovely interior, exterior, and really has the status that people want. Thanks so much for watching.